Hello, this is going to be a screencast of how to make a model for an equation in Google Drive, because on some of the pre-assessments in this unit you are going to be asked to send them to me via Google Drive just because of the format of what we're asking for. So you are going to click on Create from your Google Drive and you are going to make a drawing. And I'd like you to title that drawing up here. Just click one-step equations, or whatever the name of the assignment is. I'll give that to you at the time. So we're just going to use this to model a one-step equation from this unit and click OK. The equation that we're going to model, we're going to put right at the top, and we will say a plus 3 is equal to 9. I'm just going to enlarge that so it's a little bit easier to read. And then we're going to make the model for this. We are going to use a bar model, just like we're going to be working with in class. You're going to click the Shape tool, go to Shapes, and select a rectangle. And make a smaller rectangle just like that. That's fine. And if you double click on the rectangle, it should pop up to allow you to type in that box. And this is going to be variable A. And I'm going to make that larger. 30 looks about good. And then align it right to the middle of our rectangle. And our equation is a plus 3 is equal to 9. So next what we're going to do is we're going to make another rectangle, Shapes, rectangle, and we're going to make it the same height as our original rectangle. I'm just going to make this one a little bit smaller because it's representing 3 units and not A units. So if we double click on that, we can type the number 3 to label that, and I'm going to make it larger again and align it in the middle. So together A plus 3 is equal to 9, just like it says right there. So therefore, our next rectangle needs to be equal to the length of A plus 3, which is 9. So here below, we are going to make a rectangle that is approximately the same height and make it the same length as A plus 3. And Google Drive is really good because it shows you the red lines when they match up. And we're going to double click so that we can type the number 9 in there to show what the value is. I'm going to separate them a little bit to show that they are 2 different models. And that's all you have to do. After that, you're done with your model. You're going to hit Share. And you're going to type in my email, emoyer@arsu.org. Make sure that I can edit it over here. Select my name and share it with me. And then you're all set.